Chapter 14, Time and Calendar. Measurement of time is of great importance for us. It helps us to prepare our daily routine. We read the time from a watch or a clock. Facts about a clock. Look at the face or dial of the given clock. You can see this clock. The first division on the dial of the clock. The face or dial of the clock is divided into 12 equal big divisions labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And the space between every pair of two consecutive numbers is divided into 5 equal small divisions. So thus the dial is divided into 12 into 5. This is equal to 60 small divisions. Now the second one, hands of the clock. The clock has two hands, a longer hand and a shorter hand. The longer hand is called the minute hand and the shorter one is called the hour hand. See, the shorter one is hour hand and the longer one is the minute hand. Now the third, movements of the minute hand. The minute hand moves from one small division to the next small division in 1 minute, and the minute hand goes once round the dial in 1 hour. So the minute hand covers 60 small divisions in 1 hour. So therefore brain boosters, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and the minute hand moves from one number to the next number in 5 minutes. And the fourth one, movements of the hour hand. The hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour. The hour hand takes 12 hours to complete one round. Also it takes 2 full rounds of the clock in 1 day. Now brain booster, 1 day equals to 24 hours. Now reading time from the clock. See how we can read it. The hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. So what is the time? Time is 5 o'clock, and how we can write 5? 2 dots 0 0. Similarly, we have hour hand at 9, minute hand 12. So time is 9 o'clock. Now it is between 9 and 10 and minute hand is at 6. So half past 9 or 30 minutes past 9 means 9:30. Beyond 9 and at 3, quarter past 9 or 15 minutes past 9, 9:15. Now beyond 9 and at 9, minute hand is at 9. So quarter to 10 or 45 minutes past 9, 9:45. So now look at these following figures of clocks and read the time shown by each one of them. A part here, this is 5, 5. Here hour hand is beyond 5 and the minute hand is at 1. So time is, minute hand has moved 5 small division. So the time is 5, 5. So how we can read it? 5 minutes past 5. So one brain booster time is measured by a clock. A clock typically has a round face with 12 numbers on it to show the time. Now B part here, the hour hand is beyond 5 and the minute hand is at 8. So the minute hand has moved 8 multiply 5, 40 small division. The time is 5:40. So how we can read it? 40 minutes past 5 or 20 minutes to 6. Now C part, the hour hand is beyond 5 and the minute hand is at 11. So the minute hand has moved 11 multiply 5, 55 small divisions. So the time is 5:55. So how we can read it? 55 minutes past 5 or 5 minutes to 6. Now G part, the hour hand is beyond 5 and the minute hand is at 3 small division ahead of the number 11. So here the minute hand has moved 11 into 5 plus 3 means 58 small division. So the time is 5:58. So how we can read it? 58 minutes past 5 or 2 minutes to 6. So exercise 14.1, question number 1, complete this table. Hour hand given, minute hand given, and we have to tell the time. So A part, hour hand is at 6 and minute hand is at 12. So what is the time? Time is 6 o'clock. So how we can write it? Okay, now B part, hour hand is between 4 and 5 and minute hand is at 6. So this is 4:30. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the second, write the given time in figures like A part 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock means 8:2.00. Now B part 20 minutes past 4. It means 4:20. And C half past 3. It means 3:30. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Now the third one, filling the blanks with appropriate answer. A part 47 minutes past 2. So it means how many minutes left to 3? So it means 13 minutes to 3, because 47 plus 13, 60 minutes. So 13 minutes to 3. B part 21 minutes to 12. How we can write dash minutes past dash? It means 11 past 11, and 21 minutes to 12. It means how many minutes have been passed? 60 minus 21, that is 39 minutes. Okay, so similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth question, look at the given figure of the clocks and write down the time shown by them in two different ways. Like the first one, A part, this is 3 o'clock, or we can write 3 o'clock. Okay, now B, this is 7:10, or we can write 10 minutes past 7. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Now the fifth one, draw the hour and minute hands of the clocks according to the given time. Like here 7:40 A part. So 7:40, it means hour hand is beyond 7, means between 7 and 8, and minute hand is at 8. This is 7:40. Similarly, like this, half past 12. Half past 12 means 12:30. So minute hand is at 6 and hour hand is at 12. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now time using AM and PM. You know that a day has 24 hours. The hour end of the clock takes 2 complete rounds of the clock in a day. This is because the clock has numbers 1 to 12, means 24 hours. Now the first point, the time from 12 o'clock at night, means midnight, till 12 o'clock noon is called AM anti-meridian, and the time from 12 o'clock noon till midnight is called PM, means past meridian. This is how we divide a day, like AM 12 midnight to 12 noon and PM 12 noon to 12 midnight. Now example 1, use AM or PM to write the given time. A part 6:50 in the morning, so this is 6:50 AM. B 12:25 in the afternoon, so this is PM. Now C 9:40 at night, so 9:40 PM. Now D 12:50 after midnight, so 12:50 AM. Now 6:50 in the evening, so 6:50 PM, and 11 in the morning, 11 AM. Now exercise 14.2, question number 1, write AM and PM for each activity. A part, morning walk. Morning walk means AM. Sunset, evening, PM. Dinner, night, PM. Evening tea, PM. So like this, you can complete it. Now the second one, rewrite the following times using AM or PM. Like A part 6:20 in the evening, so 6:20 PM. Now E part, 3:30 at night. 3:30 means 3:30. Night means after 12 midnight, so that is AM. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to 24-hour clock time. A clock tells 12 hours, but it doesn't show morning or evening. Railways, airlines and army use 24-hour clock time. Some digital watches show time in 24-hour clock time. To convert 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time, what to do? We add the hours to 12 after the noon, like 12-hour clock time, 12 midnight to 12 noon, so the next 12 midnight, and 24-hour clock time, 0000 hours to 12:00 hours to 24:00 hours. In 24-hour clock time, to represent minutes Past an hour, we write 2 more digits for minutes to the right of the number of hours. See here, comparison of 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock time. See, this is 12-hour clock time, and how we can write in 24-hour clock time. 12 o'clock midnight. So this is 24:00 hours or 00:00 hours. Now 12:01 a.m. So this becomes 00:01 hours. Now 12:30 a.m. So 00:30 hours. Now 1 a.m. So this is 01:00 hours. 10 a.m. this is 10:00 hours. 12 o'clock noon. So this is 12:00 hours. Now 12:01 p.m. this is 12:01 hours. Now 1 p.m. so 12 plus 1 13:00 hours. 2 p.m. so 14:00 hours. So 11:59 p.m. means 2359 hours plus 12 kar denge. Okay, now note in 24-hour clock time column between the hours and minutes is usually not written. At some places single space or a point is given in between. To convert 24-hour clock time into 12-hour clock time, subtract 12 from the hours that are greater than 12 and write PM. Like 1300 hours is written as minus 12 kar denge, 1:00 PM. 13 minus 12, 1. So also 12:01 hours is written as 12:01 PM. Now to convert 24-hour clock time into 12-hour clock time, just write AM for hours that are less than 12. Like here 05:00 hours. So how we can write 5:00 AM. Now exercise 14.3, question number 1. Change to 24-hour clock time. So like here B part 4 AM. So what will you write? You will write 04:00 hours. Okay. Now here this C 11:15 AM. So 11:15 hours. Right? Okay. Now this G 11:55 PM. अगर PM है तो plus 12 कर देंगे. So 23:55 hours. Now second question, write the following times in 24-hour clock time. Like C 8:40 in the night. So this is plus 12, 20, 40 hours. Now F part 2:20 afternoon. So this is plus 12. So 14, 20 hours. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now third question, change to 12-hour clock time using AM or PM. C part 17:10 hours. So minus 12 kar denge. What will you get? 5:10 PM. Okay. Now this is G 02:05 hours. So it means this is 2:05 AM. Right. So I hope you can try remaining parts. Now time in seconds. Some clocks and watches have 3 hands. We can see the thinnest third hand moving fast. This is the second hand. The time taken by the second hand to move from one small division to the next small division is called 1 second. The second hand covers 60 small divisions in 1 minute. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. You can see this one is the second hand, thinnest one. Now conversion of time units. Example 1, convert 3 hours 18 minutes into minutes. So you know 1 hour 60 minutes. So 3 hours 3 into 60 plus 18, 180 plus 18, 198 minutes. Now example 2, convert 297 minutes into hours and minutes. So 297 divided by 60, so 4 hours 57 minutes. Now example 3, convert 5 minutes 35 seconds into seconds. So we know 1 minute 60 seconds. So 5 minutes 5 into 60 plus 35. So 300 plus 35, 335 seconds. Now example 4, convert 460 seconds into minutes and seconds. So divided by 60 because 1 minute 60 seconds. So divide by 60, we are getting 7 minutes 40 seconds. Now example 5, convert 4 days 10 hours into hours. So 1 day 24 hours, 4 days 4 into 24 plus 10, 96 plus 10, 106 hours. Now example 6, convert 100 hours into days and hours. So divide 100 by 24. So this is 4 days and 4 hours. Okay. Now brain booster, 1 week 7 days, 1 day 24 hours, 1 hour 60 minutes and 1 minute 60 seconds. Now exercise 14.4, question number 1. Convert into seconds, like B part, 8 minutes 52 seconds. So 8 into 60 plus 52. So 480 plus 52, that is 532 seconds. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, convert into minutes. So see here, like B part, 12 hours 45 minutes. So 1 hour 60 minutes. So 12 into 60 plus 45. So 720 plus 45 total minutes, right? Now third, convert into hours, like here B part, 10 days 12 hours. So 1 day 24 hours. So 10 into 24 plus 12. So 240 plus 12, that is 252 hours, right? Now the fourth, convert into minutes and seconds. So here, like B part, 150 seconds. So divided by 60. So 150 divided by 60. 60 twos are 120. So 2 minutes 30 seconds. Similarly, you can try fifth and sixth question. Now the next we are talking about addition and subtraction of hours and minutes. Example 7. Mr. Johnson left home at 10:45 a.m. and returned after 1 hour and 20 minutes. So at what time did he return? So 10:45 a.m. means 10 hours 45 minutes. So we can add this time 1 hour and 20 minutes, right? So add it. So what we are getting? We are getting here 65 minutes, and 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 60 plus 5, this is 1 hour, 5 minutes. So 5 minutes here and 1 hour we are adding into hours column. So this is 12 hours, 5 minutes, means 12:05 p.m. right? Now example 8, Alice boarded a train at 6:50 p.m. and left it at 11 p.m. How long was she in the train? So both the times are in PM, so we do not need to change it to 24-hour clock. So 6:50 p.m. 6 hours 50 minutes and 11 p.m. means 11 hours 00 minutes. So we have to find the time. It means 11 hours में से इसको minus कर देंगे. So here nothing, 0 minute minus 50 minute not possible. तो हम borrow करेंगे 1 hour से. It becomes 60 minutes. 60 minus 50, 10 minutes. And here 10 minus 6, 4 hours. So 4 hours, 10 minutes. Now example 9, Nancy reaches her office at 9:30 a.m. and leaves at 6:15 p.m. How long does she stay in her office? So now method 1, change to 24 hours clock time and subtract. Like 6:15 p.m. means 15 hours and 9:30 a.m. means 0930 hours. So in दोनों को हम कर देंगे minus. So this is the answer, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now method 2, 9:30 a.m. to 6:15 p.m. we have to find the time. So what to do? 9:30 a.m. to 6:15 p.m. So first 9:30 a.m. to 12 noon. It means 12 hours minus 9 hours 30 minutes, that is 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Now 2 hours 30 minutes to 6:15. It means 6 hours 15 minutes. So minus. So now 9:30 a.m. to 12 noon, 2 hours 30 minutes, and now 12 noon to 6:15 p.m. means 6 hours 15 minutes. So add these two, answer is 8 hours 45 minutes. Now exercise 14.5, question number 1, add. So you can try these questions. Question number 2, subtraction. You can do this one. Now come to word problems. Example 10. A worker did overtime as follow on Monday. 3 hours 25 minutes on Tuesday, 5 hours 30 minutes on Wednesday, 6 hours 25 minutes. How many hours did he work extra? So what to do? We have to add all. So make the column hours and minutes. 3, 25, 5, 36, 25. So now add minutes. So what we are getting? 5, 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 3, 2, 5, 6 and 2, 8. 80 minutes. So this is more than 60. तो 60 minutes make 1 hour. तो 1 हम add कर देंगे. Hours में this becomes 15 hours and here 20 minutes, right? So answer is 15 hours 20 minutes. Now example 11. A film began at 6:45 p.m. and ended at 9:15 p.m. What was the duration of the film? To know the duration of the film, we find the difference between finishing and starting time. So 9 hours 15 minutes minus 6 hours 45 minutes. So 15 में से 45 we can't do. So 1 hour हम लेंगे borrow. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 plus 15 75 minutes. So 75 में से 45 minus करेंगे 30 minutes. And here 8 hours left. 8 minus 6 2. So 2 hours 30 minutes. Now exercise 14.6 based on such type of examples. See, solve these problems. A part, what will be the time? 2 hours 35 minutes after 3:55 p.m. So after 3:55 p.m. after this 2 hours, it would be 5:55 p.m. But we have to add 35 minutes more. So 5 minutes add कर देंगे तो 6 p.m. Now 30 minutes left. So 6:30 p.m. Okay, right? Now G part, a film started at 2:35 p.m. and ended at 6:10 p.m. So what was the duration? So 6:10 minus 2:35 hours and minutes. So 10 minutes में से 35 minutes तो नहीं कर सकते. So what to do? Borrow करेंगे R से. This becomes 70 minutes. 70 minus 35. 35 minutes and this becomes 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So 3 hours, 35 minutes. So similarly, you can try remaining questions. Now come to next, calendar. A calendar shows days and dates for all the months of a year. The 12 months, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. And different months have different number of days. 4 months, April, June, September and November have 30 days. And 1 month, February has 28 days in an ordinary year and 29 days in a leap year. So remaining 7 months have 31 days each: January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Now leap year, our earth revolves around the sun once in 365 whole 1/4 days, which is exactly 1 year. But we cannot count for 1/4 day each year, so we add 1/4 days for 4 years and add 1 day to the 4th year. Thus each 4th year has 366 days, while an ordinary year has 365 days. This 4th year is said to be leap year, and this extra 1 day is added to February in the leap year. Now to find whether a year is a leap year or not, divided by 4. If it is exactly divisible, then yes it is, otherwise not. For example, 2020, 2024, 2028 all are divisible by 4, but 2021, 2022 they have February of 20 days each because these are the ordinary years. Now talk about week. 7 days make a week. Days in a calendar are marked in short form: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this. Horizontally or vertically, each day repeats itself after 7 days. So if a Monday falls on date 3, it will fall again on the dates 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 plus 7, 31. If the month has 31 days. Now how to write a date? The way to write a date: first write the number of day in a month, that is date. Then write name of the month and finally write the name of the year. Like example 26 January 2024. 2nd March 2024, 19 December 2024. Now brain booster, a year consists of 12 months, 1 year has 365 days and a year is made up of 52 weeks. And a year consists of 12 months, 1 year has 365 days, a year is made up of 52 weeks. Now here short way to write a date, number of day, months number 1 to 12 and year. All these parts of the date are separated by using dots as shown below. Like 26 January 2024, how we can write in short form? 26.1.2024. Now example 12, Mary's school was closed from 15th March onwards for 2 weeks. On what date did the school reopen? So the date 15th March is included in the holiday. So 2 weeks means 14 days. So first day of the holiday is 15. Okay, and the 14th day of the holiday is 14 plus 14, that is 28. So the school reopened on the next day of the holiday, that is 29th March. Now example 13, the World Cup matches started on 8th of October and ended on 8th November. For how many days did the matches continue? The first day of the match is 8, so 7 plus 1. Now day from 8th October to 31st October, 31 minus 7, that is 24. So days from 1st November to 8th November, 8. So total days 24 plus 8, 32 days. Now exercise 14.7, question number 1. Answer these questions. A part, how many months in a year have 30 days? 4 months, and write their names. You can do it. B part, how many months in a year have 31 days? 7 months. Write their names. You can do it. Similarly, you can try second question. Now come to MCQ. Take the correct answer. The first, the year not divisible by 4 is ordinary year. The second, the number of weeks in a year is 52. The third, the century year divisible by 400 is in what? You can just find out. Now, similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now, math lab activity, you can try this one. Then enhance your learning. You can try these questions, very interesting. And now, there are some value-based question and HOTS. So, I hope the concept is very much clear to you.